Hello, everybody. Welcome to SBK Rider. On this episode of my solo ride to All India, I'm showing Jallianwala Bagh right now. Right now, I'm in the Jallianwala Bagh. I'm going to there was a small picture gallery. So my driver Ajay and also my guide is leading me to there, showing me the places. So you can find pictures of people who made all this and helped us to get the freedom from the British. There was a small picture gallery over here. You can see that. So there he is now. He's actually explained to me. Now I'm in the front of the wall. Actually, Jallianwala Bagh shootout happened. It's actually the wall that people who killed by British. Those British people actually shoot the people who were in protesting. So those the bullet holes. It's pretty sad to see all those things. I mean, people were so helpless. They were unarmed. The British were shoot every woman and child and everyone on these walls, in front of these walls actually. Those are bullet holes, especially marked out there. There was the place. It's all written over there too. People are reading. Now I'm going to the memorial place for all the people who died back then. So this is the Jallianwala Bagh. I'm taking some pictures. There's lots of tourists you can see. He leading me the place. There you can see a memorial of the people who died back in Jallianwala Bagh by the shooting. This is the memorial place. There you can see the place was actually very beautiful, very well kept, very cleanly kept in. Very proud, feel so proud myself actually being here. I mean, I'm just studied all this, but I've never had a chance to witness in my own eyes, So I can be in the actual place in Jallianwala Bagh. So this is it. I'm walking with him. He's actually leading me. He's actually very pretty good guy. I mean, helping me a lot. He explained to me everything. His limited knowledge of his English, but he's very helpful to me. This is the place. I mean, we are going to the next place. There you can find another wall that has bullet holes by the shooting. People were killed and run to. There was a well. People tried to escape from the shooting. They jumped to the well, but people still died in the well. Pretty sad, and feel proud about ourselves because how brave we were in back then. They all done it for the freedom that we have right now from the British. Now we are proud ourselves. There you can see all those places, all those walls full of bullet holes. They're specially marked there. He's showing me that. All those markings on the walls. There was a bullet holes. All those holes made by bullet. So now I'm going from the Jallianwala Bagh. Now we are going to the next place, next memorial. This whole place was memorial. So we are going to the next place. There's a Amar Jyoti for all the people and all the soldiers. There was a a Amar Jyoti you can find there. There's a Jyoti. This is all the memorial places. My Ajay helped me to take some pictures with me with the memorial. There was a flyer you can see. So we are going to the next place now. There's a small picture gallery like a museum. So we are walking to there. He's leading me to the small picture gallery. You can see there right now. There you can find Mahatma Gandhi ji and all other freedom fighters, the people who help us to get the freedom. So we are thankful to them. Now I am going to the Golden Temple, the main attraction in Amritsar. Everybody know about the place, the Golden Temple, the Sikh temple actually. So I'm on the way to the Golden Temple. This is the place for the Golden Temple. Very beautiful place, amazingly beautiful place. So clean and very well kept place. So I'm on the walk. It's fully marbled, but very hot too. So I just took some pictures of the place. There's still some minor works happening over there. You can find that one over there. So I'm going inside. There's some people are delivering free water to people, drinking water. This is the Golden Temple. Wow, what a beautiful place. But unfortunately I couldn't get to go inside. It was pretty busy. So, and it was closed right now. I was on the afternoon. So I couldn't get inside. And very big queue you can find there. So even if I stay there, I have to stay there in whole day. So I am also planning to go to Wagah border. So I am going back. I'm going to Wagah border right now. I'm on the walk right now. So I'm going back from the Golden Temple without getting under. So place was very beautiful. This is actually a complex of temples in Golden Temple. So I hope everybody liked my video. If you like, you can click the like button, or if you didn't, doesn't matter. So I will come back with a new video. So bye, see you then.